Hey everyone, it's Trisha here from Passive Income today, and this is a quick product review for the 100K Alliance. A few months ago, I wanted to start creating some passive income online beyond coaching and one to one consulting. So I looked at a few different options, and one of them was affiliate marketing. I had dabbled in affiliate marketing for a while, but I wasn't quite sure how to get into the details. And really, how would you scale it? How would you go about creating affiliate marketing revenue from lots of different products? I came across the 100K Alliance and it seemed to answer a lot of my questions. I think the biggest takeaway for me from purchasing this program, the 100K Alliance, is being able to understand the affiliate marketing industry, meet a few key people in that industry, understand how they work and how they make money, and getting access to different products. So, in case you're not familiar, affiliate marketing is about helping people make buying purchases. And there's a number of ways you can do that. You can do that through making videos, writing testimonials, writing product reviews on Amazon. There's lots of different ways. This particular method focuses on using videos for product reviews, and those videos are posted to YouTube. But the great thing about it is that they have shown a way that you can scale this if that is something you want to do. Now, you can use the 100K Alliance method to scale by using a virtual assistant to help you with the videos. Or if you're someone a bit different like myself, I prefer to make each video individual and tailored to the product after I've tried it myself. Because I believe if you're going to promote a product and put your personal name against it, it's important that you know what it is. But without too much delay, let's dive right in and allow me to share with you what I've learned about the 100K Alliance, and hopefully some of these insights will help you make a decision. So the 100K Alliance is a online program. You get access to a digital portal, and in that program you'll get a series of lessons, modules and lessons. Each module is designed with a series of step-by-step lessons that will take you through how to become an affiliate, how to set it up. All those things are all for free to start your account and start becoming an affiliate. But actually knowing where to go and what to do and the intricacies, I saved a lot of time by doing this program. And I guess the quick takeaway from all of this is that if you've been considering affiliate marketing and you're not quite sure of what's required, or you just want to kind of dabble and dip your toes in, this would be an excellent program for you to go through. And if you purchase with my link, which is down below in the comments, you'll be able to have a 30-minute consultation with myself, and I'll help you and guide you and provide you with any answers that you may need. So, like I said, with this program, you'll get access to video lessons, you'll get a process which they've set up, and it'll show you how to create a review using YouTube, how to get free traffic, how to find products that you can promote, and how to get paid. Affiliates get paid a commission when someone makes a sale, and that commission is paid through a digital wallet, and it's called Warrior Plus. And what happens is if you make a review and someone clicks the link and they make a purchase, you'll earn a certain commission of that product value. On Warrior Plus, I've seen all types of product commission levels. I've seen as low as 20 or 30%, 50, 65, 70, and even some cases 100% on the first product that's sold in a funnel. And if you're not sure what a funnel is, really it just means the sales process. So it's, if you think of the funnel like the V shape, at the top you have your first product, and that's usually a fairly tantalizing offer, and it's not very high priced, and a lot of the affiliates will earn anything from 50 to 100% on that first product. The second product is what they call an upsell or a one-time offer. Third product, fourth product, fifth product. Now, when your customer goes through this buyer funnel, there may be one upsell, there may be zero upsells, or there may be multiple upsells. It really depends on who created the product and what they wanted to do. And what the 100K Alliance will show you is how to create a review, how to link that review to what the product details are, and how to get traffic. That's pretty much the crux of it. Inside this program, you'll also get access to a community, a really vibrant, happy community of people that are contributing in different ways. They will support you with your videos, answer your questions, and you also get access to the creators who are there and making a ton of money out of this. And as I mentioned before, you could either do this scaling with hiring a virtual assistant, or you could do this yourself as a one person creating the reviews. The program is designed to help people scale and publish as many videos as possible. But like I said, you take the skills away and you use them as you see that feels best for you. So point number 2 is they teach you how to outsource the reviews. So once you go through module 1, you'll learn how to set everything up, and that takes maybe an hour to complete. Then you'll be going through how to create a review, and then once you understand that very simple process of how to get your own unique link, then they will show you how to teach a virtual assistant to do exactly the same. And then it just becomes very much on autopilot. You create reviews, you create a review video, very simple and straightforward. Um, and then they will explain to you how traffic will be finding your videos by using very specific words in your listing for your video title. It's actually really fascinating, and I found that I learnt a lot from this course, and I absolutely support it 100%. If you're someone who is an experienced affiliate marketer, or perhaps you've already been dabbling but you want to grow, this would be a great course for you to A, access the creators, B, get in the community, and C, get access to products you may not already know about. Um, what I have found with the 3 creators of this course is they've been able to introduce me to other major affiliate people who have products, and I've been able to begin given access really quickly to promote those products if I choose to. So I found it really good. What I've taken away also is through learning these skills, I've been able to make my reviews more efficient. I do take the time to try the products and give a proper review so you can make a decision whether you should purchase it. For example, this is one of my reviews today for the 100K Alliance, and where I hope to help you make that decision with confidence so that you can walk away and go, you know what, I'm going to give it a go. And if you take away the skills and you can apply it to your current business or other products that you might find, different software products or different products on Amazon to do affiliate reviews, I think you'll do really well. Number 3, utilizing YouTube for free traffic. So I don't hide anything here. I am really upfront and transparent because I think it's important that you know, okay, what you're doing in the program, who should be using it, and then thirdly, where will you get your traffic from to make sales? So I hope that this is not confusing at all, but you're not actually selling anything. You're making a review of a product that you've tried or that you've become familiar with, and you're helping other people make the purchase. The purchase happens on the creator's website. You're given a link to share, and then you make your video. And YouTube is an excellent platform. If you don't already have your very own YouTube channel, you can create one for free. It only takes a few minutes. There are a lot of great step by step processes included, and a lot of people I have spoken to have been uncomfortable with showing their face on YouTube, and that's totally fine. Whatever you feel best with, that's what you should do. I have a face channel, but you can also have a faceless channel, which means that you can use your voice or you can hire someone to speak on your behalf and create a video that way, which is a really easy thing to do. So the 100K Alliance, I fully support it. I think it's a great program, especially if you're looking to make some passive income, make money online, and you just really want to fine tune your skills in the affiliate marketing. It would suit someone who's a beginner to advanced, but if you're a beginner, just take your time, don't overwhelm yourself. And like I said earlier, if you purchase with my link, you will get 30 minutes consultation directly with me, and I will help you and help you feel confident in your approach to how you do this. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I wish you all the best.